Hello student, myself Professor Chaitan Mankar. Today we are going to discuss syllabus about object oriented programming. So object oriented programming. In this we have three theory lectures. Then pattern is 30-70 pattern. In this pattern there is a 30 marks mid sem and 70 marks end sem. Total 100 marks. Then for this subject you are also a lab. Okay, so the lab included with the computer graphics subject. So in this lab, one turn for the CG and one turn for the your OOP. So in this you have 25 marks as a term work and 50 marks practical. So total 75 marks will be there for the practical examination. So in 50 marks practical you have to perform a practical. So there will be a external examination. External will become and you have to solve the assignment, and depend on the your oral and the practical perform, you will get the marks. Then next is the actual syllabus. So in this, these are the course objective, then course outcomes. Then we start with the unit 1. So first unit is fundamental of object oriented programming. So in this unit mostly discuss the what are the basics of object oriented programming. In entire syllabus we are going to see the C++ programming language. So the complete subject is focused on C++ language. So first unit contains that C++ programming and the functions in C++. Then second unit contain the inheritance and pointers. Again these are the concept from the C++ language. Then third unit polymorphism. So how polymorphism is achieved in C++. Then next unit file and stream. So in this unit all the file related operation, how file operation take place in C++ we are going to see. Then fifth unit is exception handling and templates. So what is exception, how to handle exception, and what are the template, how to use this template, these all are covered in this unit number 5. And last unit is the standard template library, STL. So what are the standard libraries, then what are the vectors, then various algorithms such as sorting algorithm, min max algorithm. So these are all covered in unit number 6. Okay, for reference book, the first book is, or we can say textbook, so E Balaguru Swami, object oriented programming. So this is the one of the best book for the C++ language. You can, this book also available in library or you can purchase online this book. So for entire C++ you can refer this book, object oriented programming. If you check syllabus, the your first year subject, the PPS, in that there is a unit number 5 present, that is object oriented programming. So that syllabus is covered in the, we can say the, in large quantity. So you have very short introduction in that unit. So in this subject there is a complete description about the object oriented programming. So I request you to all go through that unit Just revise it for the best understanding. Okay, next is object oriented programming lab. Okay, so in laboratory it is combined with the computer graphics subject. So in lab you have to perform the various assignment. So these assignment mostly divided into three groups: group A, then group B, and group C. So you have to perform all these assignment, or we are going to divide these assignment into the number of groups. So A group contain total 6 assignment, then B group contain total 3 assignment, and C group contain 2 assignment. Okay, remember student, the OOP and computer graphics lab have 25 marks as a term work and 50 marks practical exam.